The question I got asked is, why does someone's LinkedIn profile say connect when previously it was pending, but I withdrew the invite? I think I know what they're talking about, but I'm going to answer it in this video. But before I answer the question, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all of this content for you. So take a look at this. Here's a bunch of invites that I have sent out. You get to those through My Network, click on See All, and then once you click on See All, click on Send. And at the very bottom of the list, you see that I have an invite I sent out to Gerard a month ago. Now, if I go look at his profile, it'll say pending because I had sent him an invite to connect. Now, can I click on that? I can withdraw it from here. So this is actually fairly new. Typically what I would do is withdraw from here. I'd go right here and I'd hit withdraw, and then you have to hit withdraw, and then you have to hit the checkbox. So you know what I'm talking about. Let me see if I find one. Here's one. I can, let's do Nancy. Withdraw, and then I have to hit the X. So I just withdrew that invite. But now, check this out. Not only can I withdraw from my invitation manager, but I can go to his profile, click on pending, and I can withdraw. And it says withdrawn. Now if I wait a little bit or hit refresh, it's back to connect. It will only say pending until you withdraw the invite. Once you withdraw the invite, it may say withdrawn for a moment, but when you hit refresh, it will go back to connect. The purpose is so that now I can send Gerard another invite to connect, which, by the way, I would not do that a second time. Instead, what I'm going to do is look for a way to get introduced to him because he didn't accept the first one I sent to him, which he hasn't been on LinkedIn in over a month, so maybe he's not on LinkedIn enough. But bottom line, if you've sent an invite, it's going to say pending on that person's profile. When you withdraw the invite, either from the invitation manager or from their LinkedIn profile, it might say withdrawn for a moment. When you hit refresh on their profile, it'll go back to connect for you to start all over again. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.